explore with your stickers. How can you play them differently than we've been playing them? Can you roll them around like this? Oh, weird. Different granules of sand. Yay! All right, you guys, I'm going to play a song that has a lot of tempo changes. So if you want to follow along with it, it's just a really good way to learn how to change tempo, right, Marcia? Tempo changing.
Ride along with me to your favorite park. Click your seatbelt into place before we start the car. Such an easy thing to do when you ride away.
Try to play high and low.
Every time.
Where your children want to play.
All day. Gonna buckle up, should we do what? Gonna buckle up, sha-na-na-na. Gonna buckle up, should we do what? Gonna buckle up. Buckle up. Buckle up. Are we serious? I'm gonna buckle up, should we do what? Gonna buckle up, sha-na-na-na. Gonna buckle up, should we do what? Gonna buckle up.
All right. Good job, everybody. That was some good shaking. Don't forget to buckle up. That's darn good advice. I'm sure you all do. Let's put our eggs away, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. They have 4 hands here. Thank you. All right, this is going to be the highlight of the day for some of the children. We're going to go on a ride in our little red truck. No, Harley was not having it.